the bleak midwinter, frost and wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow on snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long, long ago. Our God, heaven cannot hold him, nor earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall flee away when he comes to reign. In the bleak midwinter, a stable place sufficed. The Lord God out.